go, doubled up.
Yeah, but who's got the big one?
All right, just set it in here on the floor.
Baby.
Keep your rod tip up.
Oh, here comes Grandpa.
There's a bunch of grass right there, so yeah.
Oof. Get over here, little. Thank you, Captain Bill.
Yes, sir. Now, Ron, what do you got there?
Well, I don't know. It's probably the biggest fish I've ever caught.
Nice.
Captain Bill. Thank you, Captain Bill.
Yes, sir.
It's not even an hour and 15 minutes.
And we already got
get the whole day.
A 7 and a, what's this, 5.4.
5.4. I'm going to put him back in.
Yeah.
Her, whatever.
Oh, man, that's a real beaut. There she goes. Man, you having fun?
Great night. Thank you.
And there's an 8.4, 8.3. All right. Look at the eyeballs on that thing.
Bye.
Yep, we're going to get a little release video of her. Go ahead, Beth. Set her in the water. Oh, thank you, girl. Look at that. Oh, man. Was that your first one of the day, wasn't it?
Yes.
Boom. Right off the bat, 800. Captain Bill got a junior out on the Fellsmere Headwaters. We got Cooper and his grandpa Ron. What do you got there, buddy?
I got a 7-pounder.
7-pounder. All right, we're gonna release her. Thank you, girl. It's a beaut. Boom. So, what do you think?
That was a fish of the last time, bro. That was
Is
crazy.
it the biggest bass you ever caught?
Yeah.
Nice. All right. Let's see if we can get another one.